Good day guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to activate Microsoft Office without product key. So guys, it's actually not really necessary to activate the app yourself. There are plenty of spaces and places on the internet where you can download a fully functional app without doing anything. So as you can see, I have this pretty much Microsoft Office activated. It's 2007 and I'm going to of course launch it and show you that it works. As you can see, it's fully functional. This is the older version with the old interface that many people actually prefer these days, which is, yeah, no problem. So as you can see, all of the stuff is functioning. I can type in, there are different fonts and stuff you can use. So this is a fully functional app. And in order to get it, no, not save. In order to get it, just pretty much insert this name, all right, just like you see on the screen, and you will find it. It's really no problem. So enjoy guys, this is how you get a fully functional Microsoft Office for free. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.